Okay, so this is a change thing, but today, well, actually, yesterday I filmed a video unboxing this, and I did swap out, the motherboard because, well, I bought a damaged unit apparently, to where the motherboard was fried. Basically, GPU is dead. So I have the other motherboard in here. As you can see, nothing here. This came with 4 gigabytes of RAM, so I just swapped that out. And today we'll be swapping the screens out because, as you can see, this one has the Apple logo, and this one has parts of it. And we also will be changing the thermal paste in here. There's some TM30 by Corsair. So let me just get this thing ready. So putting it on its back is pretty easy. You just want to flip these two up. That's it. Well, they push them up, take the battery out, and boom, battery replacement done. This one has like 21 cycles on it. I don't think this MacBook that I bought was ever used. And then, so for these, I'm gonna take these 3 screws out. I am missing my screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm zoomed in for a little bit. This is also the iPhone X we're filming on, due to the iPhone 8 has taken a vacation off. So you want to unscrew these 3 screws. I'm just gonna prime. Also, I'm using my left hand, not my right hand, just to make it easier for the camera. I don't know if you can tell, I'm not a lefty, so. I'm also trying not to get my face in the camera because obvious reasons. No, but I can't see a thing. I'm going this side. Okay, with that embarrassing thing done, if you want to lift it up, take it out. Now, for this, you don't have to take the RAM out, and we're going to head for this last, alright? So we're going to lift the computer to this side, we'll take off the top 2 screws. And keep these handy. I mean, they're the same screws all around the computer, but and then we're gonna unscrew all these 3 screws on the side, and then we'll be back. Have a nice time lapse. Okay, and with all these screws out, there are 2 more here, which you're gonna unscrew, which will be securing these 2 down. Let me like the DVD and the other side, hold the front side down. And when you get these done, I'll keep these in a safe place. I'm gonna have it right under the stand. But that's not the last of your worries because we have 2 more screws. This one on the side likes to get stuck on the little magnet there. And 2 more screws here. You want to get a T6 Torx driver. I think that's what it's called. You want to unscrew both of these. I know my arm is in the way. I'm sorry, but we're moving, or we're in the process of moving, so I can't use my table. My little table. And then flip it over. See, it's popped up because someone's been in this computer before. Sadly, it wasn't me. And then you just want to, I like to get on this side first and just like force it up. But careful when you do that because there is a ripping cable. And you do not want to break that. Alright. See, as you can see right there, lift it up this way, like you're opening up a car roof. Lift it up. And put this to the side. And since I am changing the thermal paste out and the screen, I'm going to take the RAM out. Just to be safe. Which I'll keep on its caddy. That's here. And we're going to disconnect everything because that's what we have to. But we're just going to disconnect the necessary things like the fans, this antenna. I know both screens are working, so if one of them fails, I know I did something wrong. Okay. So for the... Oh, I forgot this phone is dying. That's my fault. Okay then. Didn't think this through. Okay. We have to take this airport card out, which is just a pretty easy step. So have your T6 Torx driver on. Unscrew that little screw right there. Keep this safe. This is going to be part of this, and this is what keeps the whole airport card down. I'll be keeping it in a safe place where I will 100% lose it. All right. And then you want to disconnect this. This is what I do. I've seen a lot of people do it. Just pop it up. The blue one pops up. It won't be too bad. I have two of these, so if this one breaks, I can just pull the other one out. I know both of them work. All right, so we're gonna go on this side first. Okay. Go on this side first. Sorry for the bad quality. This cable right here, unplug it first. All right. I should move it this way. All right. And then there are going to be screws right here. Okay. Oh yeah, and right here. So you're gonna also have to unscrew part of the fan. Forgot that one part. I'm gonna keep this right here. And then just like this, I'll deroute this cable, and boom, you have the display off, which I'm just replacing it so the Apple logo is perfect because that's the kind of guy I am. Doing the same thing, but I am not going to unplug the import card. You don't have to, actually, but I did it to make it easier for myself because I find it easier. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna say secure the first two screws, one on each side. Make it easier for yourself. Have a magnetic